Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Google Cloud Vertex AI feature store data to CSV step by step clearly. To withdraw data from Google Cloud Vertex AI feature store to a CSV file, start by logging into your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the Vertex AI section on the left sidebar. Select Feature Store from the options available. Once in the feature store, locate the specific entity whose data you wish to export. Click on the entity name to open its details page. On the details page, look for the export option, typically found in the upper right corner. Select Export to initiate the export process. In the pop-up window, choose the desired data format, in this case, CSV. Next, specify the location in Google Cloud Storage where you want the CSV file to be saved. Set any additional parameters, such as filters or projection fields, as needed. Review your selections to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Export button to start the export. A progress notification will appear, indicating that your data is being prepared. After the export process is complete, navigate to the specified Google Cloud Storage location. Locate your CSV file in the designated bucket. Download the CSV file to your local machine for further use. You have now successfully withdrawn data from Vertex AI feature store to a CSV file. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.